How to redeem e.l.f. birthday gift. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to redeem e.l.f. birthday gift. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. You can redeem points for rewards in your cart or in your Beauty Squad dashboard. To see all available rewards and redeem points, sign in and then go to the My Account page. Once there, click on the e.l.f. Beauty Squad option. Now, redeem points by clicking on the Redeem Rewards tab. You can use up to $10 in discounts per order. Please note that you cannot place an order with a $0 total. The products in your cart must be equal or greater than your discount amount. And if you are not ready to use your reward yet or not ready to place your order, you can access rewards that you have redeemed but have not used under Rewards History in your Beauty Squad dashboard or in your cart under Unused Rewards. So, this is how you can redeem e.l.f. birthday gift. If you found the video helpful, smash that like button, comment if you have any queries, and be sure to subscribe to our channel Login Shines for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.